This is white turkey at Southside Farm in Indiana. They will harvest thousands of turkey in a day. It's a fraction of the estimated 30 million birds that will be distributed across the U.S. for just one meal. Thanksgiving. American loves turkey, but not all turkeys are raised equal. So we went into Indiana to understand how they farm and process these turkeys. The process starts with collecting fresh and fertile turkey eggs, ensuring only the healthiest and best quality eggs are selected for incubation. Around 200,000 eggs will be incubated in this batch, and these eggs are sourced by the farm's own breeder flocks. The eggs are then brought into the incubation room, and this is where the magic happens. The temperature in the incubation room will be much more warmer at around 37.5 to 38.1 degrees Celsius. And the humidity level also will be constantly monitored during the majority of the incubation period. At around 4 weeks, the eggs will start to hatch. These chicks are now ready to be transferred to the brooding barn. But before that, they must first go through inspection for any physical or vitality abnormalities. Any chicks with abnormalities, deformities, or signs of illness will be removed, and the rest are good to go. The baby turkeys arrived in the farm within a day after they hatch, and they will be started out in a brooder barn with warmer heat at least 95 degrees and with proper ventilation system. With each pen inside the barn are covered with fresh sawdust shavings. Sawdust is highly absorbent, helping to keep the pens dry by soaking up excess moisture from droppings and spilled water. Sufficient space is given for the chicks to move around, because overcrowding can lead to stress and aggression. They also will be provided with 24 hours of light during the first week and gradually decrease to 16 hours by the 4th week, because proper lighting helps stimulate feeding and reduces stress. They will be fed with high-quality starter feed with protein content around 28 to 30% and clean water. And those first couple of weeks are so important to get the flocks off to a good start. In the subsequent weeks, particularly between 1 and 4 weeks of age, turkey poults experience rapid growth. They begin to develop more feathers and start to exhibit increased neck length. And around 8 weeks their necks will continue to elongate, and they will look more like miniature versions of adult turkeys. As turkeys approach adulthood, usually around 20 weeks or more, their necks reach a more mature length. By this stage, they closely resemble the appearance of adult turkeys, with fully developed plumage and features. According to the USDA, the average retail price for a whole turkey in 2020 was $1.21 per pound, and the market size was valued at $16.8 billion. The United States is the world's largest turkey producer, and continues to show a growth trajectory despite facing numerous challenges in the recent years. Some consumers and farmers advocate for free-range systems due to the perceived improvement in animal welfare. Free-range turkeys contribute different texture and unique flavors in the meat because of their diet and natural exercise. They typically have more space to move around and engage in natural behaviors such as foraging for insects, seeds, and plants. Once reach the desired market size, the turkeys are transported to the processing facility. In here, the process of turkey involves several steps from arrival at the facility to the final packaged product. Commercial turkeys are often processed around 14 to 20 weeks of age, depending on the desired market weight and industry practices. Usually the female turkey will weigh at around 14 to 18 pounds, while the male are around 25 to 30 pounds each. The United States is the leading producer of turkey meat globally, accounting for a substantial portion of the world's turkey production. Other significant producers include Brazil, Germany, France, and Canada. Global demand for turkey meat has been on the rise due to factors such as population growth, increasing consumer awareness of poultry as a lean protein source, and the versatility of turkey products. Turkey meat is traded internationally, with various countries engaging in both import and export activities. The United States, as a major producer, is a key player in the global turkey meat trade. Some countries import turkey meat to meet domestic demand. Importers may include nations where turkey is not traditionally raised or where demand outpaces local production. In several countries, turkey is a traditional centerpiece for holiday meals, particularly during Thanksgiving and Christmas. The demand for whole turkeys and turkey products often sees a spike during these periods, such as deli meats, sausages, and ground turkey. Cleanliness is not just a preference, it's a necessity in the world of food processing. In a turkey processing factory, maintaining high cleanliness standards is paramount for ensuring food safety and meeting stringent regulatory requirements. The foundation of cleanliness starts with the facility itself. Proper design and layout are essential to prevent cross-contamination. Using hygienic materials and efficient drainage systems contributes to a cleaner processing environment. Efficient waste management is essential. Proper disposal of feathers, offal, and other byproducts not only maintains cleanliness but also prevents odors and potential pest issues. Advanced machinery is employed for the efficient evisceration of turkeys. These automated systems ensure precision and speed. After the initial processing, turkeys undergo thorough washing to maintain hygiene. Advanced chilling systems then bring down the temperature rapidly, preserving the freshness of the meat. One of the standout features of turkey is its ability to be incredibly juicy and tender when cooked correctly. This is especially true for certain cuts like the breast, which, when prepared well, can be succulent and flavorful. Turkey offers a unique experience with its white and dark meat. White meat tends to be leaner and milder in flavor, while dark meat, found in the legs and thighs, is richer and can have a slightly gamey taste.